HR How to for the World of Work. How to launch your career in HR. Launching a career in HR boils down to a few things you need to succeed. Chances are, if you are watching this, you are seriously considering a career in HR and want to learn about the day-to-day responsibilities of the experts. To work in HR, you need to be an excellent listener. Whether remembering the client's requirements or the hiring manager's list of must-have skill sets, your listening skills must be sharp. For example, you may be working as an HR generalist, and one of the employees comes up to you for a payroll dispute. This is where you would listen to what they have to say and devise a solution. Next, you must have a knack for researching because this will be a crucial part of your job. For example, if your boss tells you to gather payroll and compensation data for a new position that came up, you need to be able to compile data that is reliable and accurate. For most HR functions, having strong communication skills are crucial for success. HR professionals are required to communicate with employees and clients constantly. Whether it is explaining the benefits package, negotiating on salary, or trying to sell a candidate on the position, your communication skills could be the deciding factor for success in your career. Staying disciplined in your day-to-day tasks is also another trait that is a must-have. Because if you don't stay organized and on top of things, you could lose track of things, which could land you in a heap of trouble. To manage my daily tasks and stay on top of everything, I use Monday.com, a task management platform. I have added the link to this task management software in the comments section. Be sure to try it out. It is free to use. Being tech-savvy is another crucial skill set that I feel is a must-have for HR professionals, and to launch a career in HR, you need to have basic Excel-level skills to create spreadsheets, especially if you are working in compensation. Tech savviness is equally essential in other HR functions. To start your journey in HR, you would need to earn at least a bachelor's degree in business or HR management. The competition for HR positions is fierce, and if you only have a high school diploma to show for it, it will be nearly impossible for you to transition into HR. After graduating, you should seek an HR-related internship. If you already have a job, ask your boss to see if you could shadow someone in the HR department to learn the day-to-day responsibilities. However, if your employer is flexible, you may ask them to transfer you to the HR department. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell, so that you never miss out on helpful content by HR How To.